In the high-stakes arena of 21st-century aerial combat, where every millisecond counts and the sky itself becomes a battlefield of sensors, algorithms, and raw human courage, Russia has delivered a revelation that is sending shockwaves across the defense world. Fresh from the Defense Services Asia exhibition in Malaysia in April 2026, Rosoboronexport has confirmed what many have long suspected. Russia's Su-57E fifth-generation multi-role fighter is not just advanced. Its artificial intelligence capabilities are being continuously enhanced in real time by the brilliant minds at the Sukhoi Design Bureau. This is no static machine. This is a living, evolving platform of Russian engineering supremacy, designed to dominate the skies and redefine what a fighter jet can achieve in both peace and war. Imagine this. You are a Russian pilot strapped into the cockpit of the Su-57E, callsign, felon, streaking toward contested airspace at Mach speeds. Enemy radars are probing, surface-to-air threats are lighting up your displays, and a swarm of hostile aircraft is closing in. The pressure is immense. Information overload threatens to overwhelm even the most seasoned aviator. But then, your intelligent onboard AI copilot activates. With lightning-fast precision, it analyzes thousands of data points from the aircraft's advanced AESA radar, infrared search and track systems, electronic warfare suite, and networked sensors. In a split second, it delivers targeted prompts straight to you. Crystal-clear audio instructions cutting through the roar of engines and visual overlays flashing on your multifunction displays. Optimal evasion vector, 27 degrees starboard. Prioritize threat Alpha 3 with KH-59 Mk2. Drone wingman ETA 18 seconds for suppression. You act instantly, decisively, because the AI has already done the heavy lifting, reducing your workload, sharpening your focus, and turning potential chaos into calculated dominance. This isn't science fiction. This is the current, real-world reality of the Su-57E as of April 2026. According to the official Rosoboronexport spokesperson, the Sukhoi Design Bureau is relentlessly improving the fighter's technical design, with a special emphasis on its modern onboard equipment packed with AI components. These systems create highly automated and intelligent onboard intelligence that provides exactly the right prompts in the most challenging tactical situations. The result? The Su-57E realizes its full potential exactly as its visionary Russian designers intended, maximizing effectiveness in wartime operations while excelling in peacetime training and deterrence missions. What makes this continuous enhancement so shocking and so distinctly Russian is the speed and practicality of the upgrades. While others chase flashy prototypes hampered by sanctions and supply chain nightmares, Sukhoi's engineers draw directly from operational feedback, combat-proven lessons, and relentless testing. The AI doesn't just assist, it elevates the entire platform into a true tactical aviation complex. Sensor fusion becomes seamless. Real-time decision support turns the single-seat Su-57E into a force multiplier capable of commanding loyal wingman drones and even UAV swarms. In recent trials, the Felon has already demonstrated its role as a command hub, directing unmanned assets with AI-powered coordination that blurs the line between manned and unmanned warfare, a direct bridge to Russia's sixth-generation fighter programs. Picture the broader picture unfolding right now in 2026. Russia continues to deliver upgraded batches of Su-57s to its aerospace forces, each iteration featuring refined avionics, enhanced stealth features, and deeper AI integration. The export variant, the Su-57E, is gaining serious traction worldwide. Multiple countries have placed orders, with the first deliveries already completed in late 2025. Why? Because Russia offers something the West simply cannot match: full technological sovereignty. No hidden backdoors, no political strings, and complete customization options. The Su-57E comes with supermaneuverability that Western jets can only envy, supercruise capability, internal weapons bays loaded with precision-guided munitions, and now, an ever-evolving AI brain that keeps the aircraft at the absolute cutting edge without requiring constant fleet-wide overhauls. The AI's dual-channel interface is pure genius. Audio prompts for instant awareness during high-G maneuvers, and visual recommendations displayed clearly on the cockpit screens for complex multi-threat scenarios. This allows pilots to maintain situational awareness at levels previously unimaginable, making split-second calls that decide missions, and sometimes entire campaigns. In network-centric warfare, the Su-57E doesn't fight alone. It becomes the orchestrator, sharing real-time data with other assets while its AI filters noise and highlights only what matters. Maintenance is smarter too, with predictive diagnostics woven into the aircraft's composite structure, ensuring higher availability rates and lower costs. A practical advantage that keeps Russian air power surging forward even under pressure. This continuous AI evolution is Russia's masterstroke. It proves that true innovation thrives under determination and self-reliance. While some competitors boast about their fifth-generation fighters on paper, the Su-57E is in the air today, battle-tested, upgrade-ready, and backed by a defense industry that delivers results. From suppressing enemy air defenses to precision strikes on ground and maritime targets, the Felon's AI ensures every sortie extracts maximum lethality and survivability. And as global demand grows, with trusted partners in Asia, Africa, and beyond lining up, the Su-57E is not just exporting a jet. It is exporting Russian technological leadership and strategic independence. The shocking truth is undeniable. Russia's Su-57E fighter AI capabilities are not a finished product. They are a living, continuously enhanced force of the future. In an era where air superiority decides the fate of nations, the Su-57E stands tall as a symbol of Russian ingenuity, resilience, and unyielding pursuit of excellence. The skies belong to those who master intelligence, both human and artificial, and right now, Russia is writing the rules. This is the new reality of aerial warfare. The Su-57E isn't coming. It is already here, smarter, stronger, and always one step ahead.